back, guys. Today, I've got something really exciting to share with you. And I promise, this one is going to turn a lot of heads. We're talking about the brand new 2026 GMC Motorhome, a futuristic take on what life on the road is going to look like. If you've ever dreamed about taking luxury living, bold design, and cutting-edge technology, and putting it all on wheels, well, GMC may have just nailed it. Just take a look at this thing. It doesn't even look like your typical RV. At first glance, it's got more in common with a concept supercar, or even a private jet than it does with the boxy campers we're used to seeing. That sleek aerodynamic body, the sculpted LED lighting, the wide panoramic windshield, it all screams innovation. GMC is really leaning into futuristic styling here, and honestly, it feels more like stepping into tomorrow than pulling up at a campground. But it's not just about looks. Underneath that bold design is a completely re-engineered platform. The 2026 GMC Motorhome comes with a hybrid drivetrain that combines electric motors with a high-efficiency combustion engine. What does that mean in everyday terms? It means you get the best of both worlds. The quiet, smooth ride of electric power when you want it, and the long-haul reliability of a fuel engine when you're covering serious ground. GMC claims the electric-only range is perfect for city, driving, or short off-grid stays. And when you add the gas engine into the mix, you're looking at the kind of range that makes coast-to-coast road trips possible without a second thought. And yes, they didn't forget the adventure seekers. GMC has tuned this motorhome for more than just highway cruising. With an adaptive suspension system, off-road driving modes, and even all-wheel drive options, the 2026 model is ready to handle dirt roads, gravel trails, and mountain passes without breaking a sweat. Imagine taking this beast up into the Rockies or out into the desert, and still feeling like you're gliding in comfort. That's the kind of freedom this thing is built for. Now let's step inside, because the interior is where this motorhome really seals the deal. GMC has clearly looked at what luxury apartments and high-end condos are doing, and then decided to put all of that inside a motorhome. You've got a living area that feels open and airy, thanks to those huge panoramic side windows. Natural light floods in during the day, and at night you've got ambient LED lighting that sets the perfect mood. The kitchen is another standout. It's modern, fully equipped, and honestly, it looks like it belongs in a designer home. We're talking induction cooktops, smart refrigerators that can sync with your phone, and even voice-activated controls for lighting and climate. GMC is really pushing the smart home on wheels concept, and it feels seamless, not gimmicky. Of course, the bedroom has to deliver too, and it does. You've got a king-size bed with memory foam, climate control vents built into the frame, and even built-in storage solutions that don't make you feel cramped. And then there's the bathroom. This isn't just a tiny RV bathroom, it's a full spa-style setup. Spacious shower, backlit mirrors, premium fixtures. It's the kind of space where you could actually enjoy getting ready in the morning, not just squeeze in and out as fast as possible. One of the coolest touches is how flexible the layout is. GMC has added modular furniture that can transform depending on your needs. Want a full lounge for hanging out with friends? No problem. Need a working desk setup for those days you're living the digital nomad life? It folds right out. It's like they designed this with every lifestyle in mind. From family adventures to solo explorers to people who want to live full-time on the road. And of course, technology is everywhere. You've got a massive central touchscreen that controls everything from navigation to interior lighting. There's a full surround sound system, built-in Wi-Fi, wireless charging pads, and even augmented reality navigation projected onto the windshield. It feels futuristic but also practical. All the tech works together to make your journey easier and more enjoyable. Now, I know what you're thinking. How much is all of this going to cost? Well, GMC hasn't been shy about saying this motorhome is positioned as a premium model. Starting prices are rumored to be around the $650,000 mark, with fully loaded versions pushing close to $1 million. Yeah, it's not cheap, but then again, You're not just buying a motorhome here. You're buying a rolling, luxury residence that combines comfort, adventure, and cutting-edge engineering in one package. And compared to some of the luxury coaches out there, it's actually priced pretty competitively. Here's the thing, though, the 2026 GMC Motorhome isn't just about being expensive or flashy. It's about reimagining what motorhome travel can be. It's for people who want the freedom of the open road, but don't want to compromise on comfort, design, or sustainability. With that hybrid powertrain, it's also a step toward greener RVing. Less noise, fewer emissions, and smarter energy use. At the end of the day, this motorhome feels like a bold statement from GMC. It's saying that the future of RVing isn't just about getting from point A to point B. It's about the experience, the lifestyle, and the feeling of having everything you need and everything you love with you wherever you go. Whether you're parked by a lake, camped out in the forest, or cruising down Route 66, this machine makes sure you're doing it in style. So, what do you guys think? Is the 2026 GMC Motorhome the future of road travel? Or is it just a beautiful dream on wheels? Personally, I think GMC has raised the bar and shown us what's possible. I can already imagine pulling up at a campsite with this thing. People would stop and stare like it just landed from another planet. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 GMC Motorhome, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more motorhome and RV content, and drop a comment below letting me know if you'd take this futuristic beast out for an adventure. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.